As a matter of fact, just a few hours ago from when I'm making this video, NASA made a new announcement indicating they found even more stuff on Bennu that nobody thought would exist here. And in this case, stuff that once again just doesn't really make sense. For example, when it comes to these sugars, here there was definitive signs of ribose and glucose, which as you know life uses for energy even today. And ribose is obviously one of the parts of RNA. But there was absence of deoxyribose, which is what DNA contains, which in this case actually supports something really important. The idea we've discussed previously referred to as RNA world hypothesis, or basically that life might have started with RNA and DNA came much later. You can learn about this in one of the videos in the description. But then there was that bizarre gum. Not like chewing gum, but basically a flexible, nitrogen-oxygen-rich polymer that was kind of similar to some kind of a space plastic. Okay, just to clarify, not aliens. Do not make a fuss about aliens. This is just a chemical element that seems to have been formed early on Bennu's parent asteroid and could have even been some kind of a chemical precursor that helped trigger life on Earth and maybe even other objects. It was actually reported in the study you can find in the description, with the particle itself referred to as particle 33, resembling something like this. And so here this particular particle demonstrates that asteroids like Bennu seem to contain a lot of complex nitrogen-rich organic molecules that could have easily assisted life on Earth to form early on. But that was just the beginning.